This is a quick video about how to know of any Nikon camera what different functions is all about, or what kind of functions different menu system is going to perform, and how they mean into the system. So it's just a quick video. You go into the menu, all right, and you just start scrolling down to different things. Like for example, I'm coming and I want to choose autofocus system, right? And the autofocus system I want to see, let's suppose I'll go in this one, AFC priority function. All right, I don't know what that means, for example. So always look for this question mark. You see this question mark? That question mark can be at anywhere. It could be here, anywhere, or it could be here or anywhere else, depending on the camera model. So for example, it's over here with the key button. So I press this, so it gives me this function that what these things are all about. So I scroll down and I have to keep pressing this button. If I'm going to release it, it goes back. In the new models, it doesn't work like that. In, like for example, in D6, I press this button once, and once I press this button, that help menu pops up and it keeps popping up. In D4 it's not. The moment I'm going to release, it goes back. So if I want to go any menu, for example, focus point elimination, all right, and I don't know what this manual focus mode is all about, and I want to see how it's on and off, so what it does. I have to just select this and press this. The moment I press this, it gives me the definition and description of that particular function. Now you can choose as long as the help menu is available, but there are some functions whose help is not available. Let's see. It's there. Like, but for example, I want to choose format card. It's not there. Format card. It's not there. So monitor white balance. It's not there. So the basic operation of the camera. So like for example, bracketing and flash, sync speed. Let's check it out. It's not there. If I go, oh, it's there. Auto FP, sync use shutter speed faster than 1/25th of the second. When a flash that support auto FP, high speed sync is attached. So if you want to do stroboscopic, or like not stroboscopic, high speed sync flash photography, you have to choose this option, E1. This one, auto FP. If I'm going to choose this, let's choose this, go back, nothing happening. So I have to choose that. So in this, my modeling flashlight. Oh, okay. So for the basic operation of the camera, especially in this pencil menu, the things are defined. But what about other camera function, like image quality? Okay, let's go raw. Oh, okay, it's there. So raw, JPEG, TIFF file. It's uncompressed 8-bit TIFF RGB. So the definition is there. So for example, picture control, vivid. Choose how new photos will process according to the type of scene, blah blah blah. Monochrome, natural, vivid. So as you can see, there are almost a small kind of dictionary is already embedded in the menu. All you have to do is just press this question button, depending on the camera model where this question button is, and in this way you can go through the menu, understand the camera, and get it done. So this video is just to let you know how to understand your machine, what different functions all about through by using the in-camera help menu. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more information stuff at VUEGRAPHY. Have a good day.